Route plan for MoBus passenger buses. The MoBus passenger buses from Bhubaneswar side will avail the route covering Uttara, Pipili, Satasankha, Patnaikia, Satyavadi, Chandanpur, Maltipatpur towards Talabania via Arobi. Bidasnagar, Toshali Sand Chowk, Greed Chowk, Budhan Chowk, Indoor Stadium to designated parking places such as Sweetwater Zone Parking Area, Talabania, which is 2.7 km from Singhadwara. They will return through NH 316 via Central School Chowk, Budhan Chowk, Greed Chowk, Balighata, Birahare Krishnapur and Batagaon.